Good morning, children. Today we are starting the chapter Acid Bases and Salts from class 7. As introduction, I want to say there are many substances which we taste sour. For example, lemon juice, unripe mangoes, curd. Then even many types of fruits which are not ripened fully shows or taste. So the reason why the substances such as this milk, curd, then even the unripe mangoes, imli, tamarind. Imli means tamarind. All these substances, all these fruits or even the cooked material sometimes shows or sometimes taste sour. The reason they contain acids. Acids are substances which are sour in taste, and these acids come from a Latin word acidus. From where the acid comes? The acid comes from a Latin word called acidus. Acidus means sour. So any substances which taste sour contain acids of different types. Now when we come to the categories of acid, there are two general categories of acids. They are organic acids or natural acids and mineral acids. So there are two categories of acids. What are the two categories of acids? Organic acids or natural acids and mineral acids. Now let's study first about these organic acids or natural acids. As I have written here, these are the various types of acids. Acids present in different types of food. Now let's see, the citric acid is present in the citrus fruits. There are different types of citrus fruits, lemon, orange. All these are citrus fruits. They are sour in taste because of the presence of citric acids. At the same time, lactic acid is present in the curd and milk. Milk does not taste sour, but still milk contains lactic acids. Okay? Now acetic acid is present in vinegar. Acetic acid is present in vinegar. That's why vinegar tastes sour, which we use to make different types of pickles, then vegetable salads, etc. Tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is a very powerful souring acid, which is present in the tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes, and many more unripe fruits. So tartaric acid is present in tamarind, then grape, unripe mangoes, etc. Now amino acids. Amino acids are present in proteins. As such, the protein does not show any souring taste, but many types of proteins shows certain change in the taste due to these amino acids. So amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. You might have studied that. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and proteins are the building blocks or building material of our body. Right. Now tannic acid, it is present in the tea. Tea seldom tastes sour, but we can feel that the original tea which we get from the leaf at the time of collection time of a tea leaf from the tea plant, we can taste it, chew the leaf of the tea plant, and we can feel that little bit sour taste due to tannic acid. Malic acid is present in apple, particularly raw apple contains malic acid. Right? Carbonic acid is present in carbonated drinks. Carbonated drinks means that many drinks like what we call soda and soda type of drinks contain carbonic acid. That water is mixed with carbon dioxide and form carbonic acid. So these are the various types of acids present in different food items. Once again, citric acid is present in citrus fruits such as lemon, orange, etc. Lactic acid is present in curd, milk. Acetic acid is present in vinegar. Tartaric acid is present in tamarind with grape and dried mangoes. Amino acids are present in proteins. Tannic acid in tea. Malic acid is present in apple. Carbonic acid is present in carbonated drinks. So usually all these are weak acids or mild acids, does not harm to our body. Particularly these are edible form of acids which are weak and mild and does not harm any human parts, human body. But there are different types of acids called organic acids. You know organic acids? Organic acids are acids which are formed or made from powerful minerals in the laboratory. Okay? Now we are coming to organic acids. So organic acids are such. Organic acids. Example, H2SO4. H2SO4, concentrated HCl, then HNO3. All these are powerful acids. They cause corrosion, they cause irritation to our body, they damage various substances. So organic acids are acids synthesized in factories from various minerals to various processes, which cause harm to our body and corrosion to various materials. So in short, we can say there are two types of acids, mineral acids and natural acids. Organic acids and mineral acids. Organic acids are otherwise called what? Natural acids. Okay? Right. Thank you.